Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing this water pump I bought from Amazon. It's the Tim Water Dispenser 5-gallon King Portable Bottle Pump. So let's open the box. First I'll just give you a look around of the box. What do we have here is it says charging time about 3 hours and it's a working voltage 5 volts by 1. I'm not sure what that is. Power is 4 watts. And warning, this machine cannot be washed, so do not make the mistake of washing it. High quality life. Tap the smart electric pump. Let's open the box. Let's see what comes inside. Okay, so the packing comes off. Here's the pump itself. Put this aside. And we have some paperwork. This is the water pipe with the USB Type A charger. So that's all that is in the box. The water pump itself looks quite decent. And here's the water inlet. It's input voltage of 5 watts as mentioned there. So the specs of this is it comes with a 1200 milliampere lithium battery, fully charged by 3 hours, and it can be used up to 30 to 40 days. Smart USB Type A charging. It has a universal barrel, which is this. This is the water outlet, and yeah, you can pump out like around 5 bottles, 5-gallon water bottles at a time. This is where the pipe goes, the water inlet and the water outlet. And on top here we have the power button, and you can also avoid wastage of water by using the 600 ml water pump option as well. So it's pretty smart. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but it's quite loud, so which was not really expected, because the previous water pump that I had was also quite loud. So I actually bought a new one hoping it would be less loud, but this seems to be the same. Anyways, let's pump some water, and I'll just pump some water and we'll check this out. Okay, so I have this all set up now with the bottle, and let's see how is the pump. Seems to be pumping pretty good. There is another complaint usually people have, is that once you pump it, the water tastes like plastic. So I'm going to taste it and see if there is a taste of plastic. No taste of plastic. It's good. So yeah, the 600 ml, I think this is just going to not waste extra water. So all in all, it's a pretty good deal. I got it for 59 dirhams from Amazon with free shipping. So it is a pretty neat device so far. The only thing that I don't like about it is still the noise that it's making. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.